Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedirilla. Let's do a reading for the month of November 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Taurus. Okay. That was a stopper and you got Two of Wands. You are very much interested in going outside and leaving your home because Two of Wands is leaving your home and going outside, and it is also delivery card. Maybe in this case there'll be actually two messages here in this when it comes to this card. One is, as you can see, this is a road. Okay, these two wands is a stick basically, if you don't know, and these two sticks are made together and it forms a road. Okay, made together. Two sticks are across each other, I can say that, I think, and it forms a road. Okay, this is a road basically, Two of Wands, and you definitely want to walk in the road and go outside, and the only accessible road you can have is being outside. In your home there is no road. So that's how it works. Two of Wands, because you feel like life is colorful being outside and you don't want to stick in the dark, and being in the dark is painful. Three of Swords. What happened with my voice? You can see this is the darkness and this is the light. In the outside this is the light and inside there is darkness. In the darkness you got Three of Swords. There is swords, which is pain. There is bleeding also here. So being in the dark, it is very bleeding for you, and you are very, very sad. And outside, this is a road and you can see the background. It's very colorful. It has this rainbow color over here in the background. So it is very colorful, and this is very painful and dark. Okay, being inside is dark and painful. Being outside is colorful and happy. Okay, this is 2 and 3 also, so watch out for numbers. 8 of Wands. Communication. You want to communicate with people, you want to go outside, communicate with people. I said delivery card. Maybe you have something that you have to deliver to a person, a message. Okay, you want to communicate with people, you want to communicate with your friends, your family members. Not family, you want to communicate with people other than your family. Okay, because the only communication is with your family and you're tired communicating with your family. Now you want to communicate with other people. Go outside and communicate with other people, because 8 of Wands is communication. Because you also want communication to be in a way that suits your vibration. Okay, they want to bring a topic and only your friends can bring that topic and bring that vibration. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. Interesting. 6 of Pentacles. Capricorn got this card. Many people are getting this card. I think it's exam time now and many people are getting good results now. Okay, because it's all online and you know what I'm talking about. And 6 of Pentacles is growth of finances, growth in your career. There's definitely growth in your career. Make good investments in the month of November. It can be small one also. Make good investments. It has definitely potential to grow. Especially it should do something with voice and communication, because you got 8 of Wands. Okay, if you learn a new accent or singing also is definitely very, very good. If you invest in that, definitely you can earn money, you can become better person. Also recognition is also there, success is also there, and all the sadness like this 3 of Wands will go away. Okay, because we think that going outside will be good, and sometimes being inside is good. It just the balance which you need. Actually, it's neither of the both. It's just the balance which we have to seek. Along with that, we also have to cope up and gather things around which we can do additionally other than that, which will also make us balanced. Okay, like investing in something, and singing you can learn at home only. There are many online courses, etc. I'm just giving an example. Okay, Hanged Man. This was the first card for Virgo, so you might be connecting with Virgo, and I've told many of in the readings many times, for Taurus you might be connecting with Virgo, and I feel like there is some karmic connection still which is not yet cleared with Virgo, and this is definitely a very significant connection if in case you are connecting with Virgo, Sun, Moon and Rising. For Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising. And also you have to meditate, same like Virgo has to do in the month of November. You have to meditate daily and consistently, because a lot of information will be coming in from the universe to you, even from higher dimensions also, and that psychic messages which will reach to your mind will definitely guide you in the right path. Okay, because it's all about path. Two of Wands is also path. Mother of Cups, your mom definitely wants to communicate with you regarding going outside. She wants to share her knowledge and emotions that she has, because Cups is emotions also. And you got exactly below this, as above so below. So your mother wants you to communicate, and also she wants to protect you, because Mother of Cups is Mother Nature and Cups is that emotions. Look at this bird, it is using its wings in order to protect the cup, and that's the emotions, and she wants to protect you. So she knows a lot. She is definitely very intelligent, and she definitely knows what is right or wrong. So don't do anything, especially going outside, without telling your mom. It will definitely make her very, very sad. Okay, Tower card. What happened to my voice suddenly? Tower card, Four of Wands, Four of Swords. 3 cards at a row. Not Tower card. I'm very, very sorry. It was Moon. Okay, I'm very, very sorry. It is not Tower card. It is Moon. Okay, my bad. It is Moon. Okay, I'm sorry again. It is Moon, Four of Wands and Four of Swords. 4 might be significant. You got 2. You got a lot of even cards, because 2 you got, 8 you got, 6 you got. A lot of even cards. And this is also 18, Moon. Okay, a lot of even numbers. So watch out for that. Even numbers might be your lucky numbers. Month of November. Moon, Four of Wands and Four of Swords. Yeah, don't rush things out, Taurus. Don't rush things out. Take it slow. Okay, Moon is all about slowness. Okay, it has phases. Moon has few phases and it keeps on repeating. Also, it waits for the sun to set in, and only then it will come out. So Moon is also patience. Okay, then Four of Wands is home, and Four of Swords is again being patient and being there. Okay, this is how you have to be, Taurus. This is how you have to be, like this deer, because you are very sensitive, and your mom also wants to take care of you. At the same time, you don't have the ability and the strength to go outside right now. Okay, you're very, very sensitive, like this deer, Four of Swords, and any slight movement can make you bleed. Just saying, metaphorically. So any slight movement without telling your mom will definitely hinder problems in your life. So especially going outside. I'm telling you, your mom is there to protect you. Don't do don't go outside without telling your mom, or don't do things, especially if you feel, especially it is dangerous, and if you don't listen to your parents, especially your mom right now, definitely you'll face problems. Okay, they'll be sad. I don't know about you, but definitely they'll be sad, but you will definitely get hurt. Okay, you won't feel sad, you might not feel sad, but definitely you will get hurt in some or the other way. Next, 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, you have to focus more on your coins. You have to focus more on your finances right now. Don't focus more on going outside, focus more on your finances and growth of life right now, because 10 of Pentacles is growth. Okay, think about the future, think about your family. Okay, think about your future, how you take care of your family, how your life will be, and then connect with friends, then go outside, do stuff. Okay, enjoy nature. You can enjoy nature, plant. Okay, connect with trees. Crystals are also very good to raise your vibration, and it's also nature. Also, meditation also is definitely very, very good to connect with nature and the universe. Mother of Wands, again mother you got, Mother of Cups and Mother of Wands. Mother is definitely very, very caring in the month of November. You can see this, it's taking care of the eggs, the snake, and over here the bird is taking care of this cup, which is the emotions, and it is you. The only emotions she has, a lot of emotions that she has, most of it is with regards to you, Taurus. So keep that in mind. Okay, it's also very good that you assure your mom that you will definitely talk to her before doing anything. Okay, that assurance if you give also will definitely make her very, very happy, and the tension which she has will definitely be resolved. Okay, I feel like there is a lot of tension that your mom is facing right now with regards to you. She's definitely very, very tensed, and even at night she's thinking about you, what you might do the next day. Okay, so stay at home right now, don't go outside. 4 of Wands, 4 of Swords, stay at home. You can see this deer, it's just staying there. 4 of Wands is home card. A lot of messages with regards to your home and your mom. Okay, focus on your finances, focus on improving your finances and the growth of finances, like this tree, like this plant, and Pentacles for your future. If you, a lot of messages actually here and there, a lot of messages, a lot of small messages here and there. So very unique and very valuable is what I feel. So do watch it again if you want to. If you liked it, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified. Never miss a video. I do monthly predictions every month and upload videos on YouTube. Other than that, if you do want a personal reading from me, you can check out this poster. I do daily readings, daily personal readings. I do personal tarot readings, astrological readings, and also life coaching if you really need it and having a tough time in life. I can definitely guide you through. And also my social media links are in the description. You can follow me there. You can contact me in Facebook or Twitter. I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible and connect with you with regards to that. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Taurus.